Всем привет! Weather is one of the most popular topics to discuss in any language. It affects our mood, daily life, and even our health. I know what I'm talking about. Yesterday I had migraine and high blood pressure, all this stuff. Never mind. In this video, I'll present you with example sentences in Russian that will help you to describe the weather. And if you like my video, please show me that and like it, subscribe and leave any comments below to support me. Спасибо! And since I moved from cold Siberia, which is famous for its abundance of snow, to St. Petersburg, a city where you need to have several umbrellas, the words snow and rain resonate very loudly in my soul. That's why we'll start with my favorite words. Снег. Вчера шел снег. Когда идет снег, все вокруг становится белым. Дождь. Сегодня идет дождь. Синоптики обещают дождь на выходных. By the way, by the end of our lesson we will have a short quiz, so please watch till the end and take a part of it. Subscribe and like. The next pair of words we are going to discuss холодный, жаркий. These are opposite words and actually they are adjectives. Холодный. На улице холодный ветер. And let's discuss adverb холодно. Сегодня очень холодно. Жаркий. Сегодня очень жаркий день. And adverb жарко. Летом в России бывает очень жарко. Солнце. Сегодня светит солнце. Вчера была облачная погода. Солнце не проглядывало. Температура. Temperatura. This word also related to the topic of weather, but we often replace it with the word градус, in plural form градусы. So instead of asking, какая сейчас температура на улице, we usually ask, сколько сейчас градусов. The word температура, we usually ask about our body temperature. So, какая у тебя температура? So, in case you get cold or not. Хороший. It's an adjective, and the example is сегодня хорошая погода для прогулки. Хорошо. Adverb and comparative form is лучше. Чем лучше погода, тем приятнее на улице. I hope these example sentences will help you to describe the weather in Russian. Practice using my link in comments below. And now let's do a short quiz and check how well you remember the words. Temperature. Температура. Hot. Жаркий. Sun. Солнце. How many points have you got? Leave a comment below. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Пока!